FS 98P or Tropical Low and Monsoonal Eddies playing havoc with the North Queensland Tropical Coast. The Tropical Low or FS 98P is currently located 18 south, 140.3 degrees east. Maximum winds 20 knots and central pressure 1007 millibars. However, the Bureau of Meteorology says that there is a chance that the tropical low could develop further. And here's the information. Heavy rain, damaging winds in northwest Queensland. At 5 a.m, tropical low is located over the southern Gulf of Carpentaria waters, so it will remain slow moving and, as mentioned, may strengthen during the next 24 hours. On Wednesday, the low is expected to move to the southwest. That's a key point, and should move out of Queensland late Wednesday. Heavy rain may lead to flash flooding likely about the Gulf country, southwestern peninsula, northern northwest districts today, continuing into Wednesday. 6 hourly rainfall totals of 100 to 200 millimetres likely. Heavier falls are possible with thunderstorms. Damaging winds with gusts greater than 90 kilometres an hour expected to develop near the low during today, continuing into early Wednesday. The Bureau of Meteorology continues to update their flood warnings, and they've issued a couple of new ones this morning so far. However, locations which may be affected include Bergtown, Mornington Island, Norberton, Koyama, Mount Isa, Concoe and Julia Creek. The Bureau also has a severe thunderstorm warning for the Herbert and Lower Burdekin forecast districts. Heavy rain continues around air. Severe thunderstorms likely produce intense rainfall, and that is happening. That may lead to dangerous and life-threatening flash flooding in the warning area. 176 millimetres plus has been recorded at Wheater Creek in the 4 hours to 7:20 a.m. That warning remains in place. The Bureau also has a strong wind warning for the southeast Gulf of Carpentaria waters. They have a initial minor flood warning for the upper Herbert River, the Cape River, the Wallam and Mungallala creeks. Moderate flood warning for the Paroo, moderate flood warning for the upper Flinders River, minor flood warning for the Concoe and Norman. A flood watch also remains in place. Bureau's 12 hourly and 24 hour rainfall outlook, and you can clearly see that the picture continues to change again. And the rainfall scale is on the right hand side of the screen, and the area in purple. Some impressive rainfall totals are now appearing on the Bureau's observation pages. And here's a look at some tracks on the Invest 98P. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre is also on board. And what are they saying about it? They have the low 102 nautical miles south of Mornington Island, animated multispectral satellite imagery along with the Mornington Island radar loop shows the developing low-level circulation, partly obscured by pockets of deep convection. A 89 gigahertz microwave image reveals a pocket or pockets of deep convection overhead the low-level circulation with potential fragmented formative banding to the east over Cape York, and you can clearly see that from the Bureau's radar. A recent observation of Mornington Island Airport shows 16 knots west-northwesterly winds. 98P is currently experiencing favourable upper level support, low 5 to 10 knot vertical wind shear and good dual channel outflow. While 98P is currently over land, there is a possibility that it will move over the very warm 31 to 32 Celsius sea surface temperatures in the Gulf of Carpentaria. Global models are in good agreement that 98P will move slightly northward, skirting the coastline before moving back south with minimal overall intensification. However, intensification potential is highly dependent on how long the system remains over the Gulf of Carpentaria. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated 15 to 20 knots, and minimum sea level pressure is estimated to be near 1,002 millibars. The potential for the development of a significant tropical low within the next 24 hours remains low. And we've just seen the wind shear 850 millibar vorticity, 24-hour shear tendency, upper level divergence. Upper level divergence is around 30 knots. And here's a look at some more rainfall activity. And 500 millimeters overnight due to monsoonal eddies, and we'll have more later on today. And what's the Bureau going to say about this tropical low?
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.